So here's how to create a section on Notion. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Notion account. Once you are logged into your Notion account, now here you have to simply add a new page. To add a new page, you have to click on the new page option, and then here at this interface you have to give the title of your page. Notion will show you various page types to choose from. Select the page to create a new regular page. Once you have successfully created a page, you can start adding content to your section. You can include text, images, tables, checklists, and more by using Notion's blog. To add a new blog, simply press /. If you want to organize your content further, you can create subpages within the section. To create a subpage, hover your mouse to the right of the page title and you will see a small plus icon on. You have to simply click on it to add a subpage. Sections will appear as pages in the left hand sidebar. You can drag and drop them to arrange them in the desired order. So that's how to create sections in Notion.